Hi everyone, my name is Ellen and this is a tarot reading for September for Libra. First of all, I would like to thank you everyone who's watching, and also well done for everyone who survived August. It was very difficult month for many zodiacs, for many people, including myself, but we went through it, so well done. And now the planets ease up on us a little bit. So let's hope for the best. And just another small tip for everybody, that from 10th of September till 2nd of October, we're gonna have a retrograde Mercury, so it's not advisable to buy big expensive things and start something completely new, like a new business, open a new shop, something that you haven't worked on yet. So it's not good time to buy maybe big appliances for the house or the car. Of course, if you must, then keep the receipts, because you might be disappointed, it might broke down, it might not working very well, so at least you can get your money back or change this. Also, what is good this time is for, you can use it to revisit past things, I don't know, sort out paperwork, so to come back, revisit and redo it. But it's not good time to start something completely new. So, and now we're gonna start our tarot reading for Libra for September, and we're starting with the Tarot Rider White. 3 cards from here. Let's see. Great, and the first card we have high rank, and this is a star. Card of wishes come true, your desires coming true. This card saying everything will work out well for you. Everything that you hoped for, you wished for, it will work out. This is card of progress, of appreciation, and this card will say, believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, believe in your desires, and they will come true as long as you believe with open heart, with full heart. Yes, that's just might, the universe might hear you. One more card from here. It's a great start. And oh, we have another high rank, but we have Moon. Moon will say to us that listen to your intuition, and also might be some illusion. So this card could say about don't get stuck too much in your illusion also. But here is something, this card will say there is something is hidden from us, something we don't have a full picture or full information about. But here this is like self-disbelief, or is like our mind, like in the cloud, like we have cloudy mind, we don't see clearly what's in front of us. It's like we have some smoky mind or foggy mind. So we'll see what is all about, what don't we see. But you need to use your intuition. Trust that, not your eyes. So what don't we see? Uh, ah, actually, maybe we have Six of Wands, and this is card of triumph. Yes, maybe we don't see, maybe don't see it yet, that our wishes might come true. So yeah, just I mentioned before, listen to your intuition and be open-minded and open-hearted to whatever you desire for. Because this card is of, again, wishes come true, luck, triumph, victory, reaching your achievements. You are the leader, you are in control. Just believe in yourself and don't be scared, don't be afraid. Next deck we're gonna use the Tarot Mansion, Dark Tarot Mansion Tarot. 3 cards from here. And first is Six of Swords. Six of Swords. It's card of progress. Card of progress and moving forward. If you have been in some situation that was stuck, you were stuck in situation, so this you moving forward. It's slowly, but you on your way out. You on your way out of the crisis. This card also can say about maybe moving. You might move the place, may move the house, or relocate completely the country or the house. But like I said, this is things gonna work out on a positive positive way. If you felt like you're stuck, you're on the right track, on the right direction. And next we're having a King of Pentacle. King of Pentacle, it could be a person in your life, it could be your boss, that gonna be making influence in your life, gonna make an impact. Maybe this is the person who who gonna help you move forward. So, or also this could be a person who dealing with the money. Maybe you're gonna see the I don't know, money advisor, banker, mortgage advisor, or the banker who ask how to invest your money. So this could be a person who dealing with the money one way or the other. And also we're having a King of Swords. So yes, you're gonna be surrounded by people in September, and but this person could be teacher. You could be a teacher, could be a lawyer, could be a solicitor. Again, some sort of educated person that you might seek for professional help or consultation. So next we're gonna use the Wheel of the Year Tarot. See what's there. Oh, and here we have Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups, it's a very nice card. This is, again, wishes coming true. You feel happy, you're surrounded by people you love. You're spending time with them. Feel happy and fulfilled. Maybe here you gather with friends or family. Maybe going to the picnic or just catching up the last day of sunshines. Yeah, so this is card of culmination, so overwhelming. I'm gonna celebrate something. And here we're having Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords in classical deck, it's different image when we have one person, but on here it looks like you might one of your people close to you, but here we're looking mother looking after the child, but it could be anybody close to you that might be unwell, and you're gonna need to pay full attention, care, and give all your love to them. Right, what else? And here we are having a Nine of Pentacles. So money-wise in September you should be fine. Absolutely nothing to worry about. Number 9, this is culmination. Again, culmination emotionally and financially. Here it's time to collect your rewards. Collect your what you've been working hard for. So yes, you're gonna be feeling happy and proud that what you achieved. So you fully deserve collect all the triumphs, all of the money that you have and your achievements. So next deck we're gonna use the Light Seers Tarot. First card is Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups is here's a young man. So if you're single, if you're looking for love, or might be not looking, but you might just meet the person that might ask you out or might ask you on a date. He's waiting. Let's see. Or maybe it's your child going on a date, or you are preparing for a date. And here we are having the Hierophant, the high rank card. And again, this is a very different card from our classical deck. But here we see this person is find himself, find his soul. He's happy with himself. He find his inner peace. He's happy with his inner peace. He's in a great balance. and he's on the way up on his he's evolving. His soul is evolving and reaching the top. So the person, you're gonna find your inner peace. Maybe you will even start to do yoga or any other practices that gonna bring you lots of joy, physically and emotionally. So you're gonna be in a great peaceful place with yourself, which is great. And not many people achieve that. You hear like an Indian guru. Right, one more card is Queen of Pentacles. Oh, great. This is a woman in your life that very comfortable with yourself. So maybe your friend or somebody you know that, or it could be even you, that can be comfortable with yourself, like, yeah, but she also comfortable financially and having a great health. So very nice, very nice reading for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Now we're gonna ask the angels for advice. Gonna be lots of people around you in September. You're gonna be quite socialized, and the message is ground yourself. Again, it shows how much it reflects on our reading. Like here, you see, ground yourself. Let's see. When you're detached from awareness of your body and the physical world, you become ungrounded. Although it's pleasant to float heavenward, your attention and work are needed upon the earth. We are helping you balance the spiritual and material so that you can enjoy a fulfilling earthly life. That's a great message. Yes, you see, you're gonna be here finding your balance spiritually and financially. It's great how the universe talking to us through the cards. Natural Whispers oracle, we see what the nature tell us. Adventure. It's a great message. Take your life as an adventure. Every day as an adventure. That's a great message from the nature. Okay, Libras, I hope you enjoy your reading. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave any comments. Let me know how the readings work out for you. And I wish you all the best. And see you next time. Bye.